Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you again for joining me for another video. Today's video, as you can see by the title, I am finally getting around to showing you guys my curly routine. If you guys are new to my channel, I just actually started to wear my natural hair after being natural for about 4 years. I just started wearing my hair in its natural state. So I'm just going to be showing you guys what I do and the process that it takes. I already did the back of it for time's sake for the video. I already did the back, and as you can see, the curls are super defined and super shiny. Of course, I start with 4 sections, 2 in the back and 2 in the front. It's already detangled. I detangled in the shower, and I just take that and subsection it. So we're gonna section off that little guy right here. The key for my curl routine is water, making sure my hair is nice and soaking wet. My hair only works really well if it is nice and saturated with water. If I just put product on like this, nothing's gonna happen. It's just gonna look basically like this, and it's gonna look super frizzy, and it's just not gonna work well. So I'm just going ahead and making this nice and wet. And I usually put like a towel around me, or today I have my robe because your shirt or whatever you have on will get wet. Then I take one of these brushes. This is really dirty. This is a brush that I got from my wig whenever I ordered my wig online. And this actually works just like a Dendon brush. I know a lot of people use Dendon brushes, and I kind of figured that the bristles on here are just about the same. This helps get the curls defined as well. All of these work together for the good. You know what I'm saying? Just like the Bible says, all things work together. Between the water, this brush, the product, you know, all things are going to work together for the good. And see, just by brushing it, my hair already is getting defined, right? Yeah. All right, moving on. So, leave-in conditioner. Guys, can I just bless y'all real quick? So, if you guys watched my the very first curl video that I did, the curl talk #1, I mentioned that I've been using the Jane Carter and Mielle Organics products, which did work well, but they did not hold my curl. Like, I was having to do my hair like every 2 days, and ain't nobody got time for that. So I went out and I got the Kinky curly products. So that's what I'm going to be using today. Kinky Curly, the Not Today Leave-In Detangler, which is amazing, and also the Kinky Curly Curl Custard, which is also amazing. These 2 products together, yeah. And so I'm just taking a little bit of the product, a little bit of the leave-in conditioner, just taking that. And the thing that I like, one of the things that I love about this leave-in conditioner is it literally has a great split on the hair. So after your hair is detangled, you can literally run your hair. You can literally run your hand through your hair like this. Just make sure it's nice and saturated. But then I'm going to take the Kinky Curly Curl Custard and using a little bit at a time. A little goes a long way with this product. So I'm going to start off with about that size amount, and then I'm going to take it and actually run through it, maybe a little bit more. Take it and run through my hair. And you can tell, like, after you put this on, your hair will start to feel a little bit harder because the product is definitely working. And so what I like to do to get my hair defined is even more defined after this. And this is what takes a little longer, but it's definitely worth it in my opinion. Is I take like little sections and I just kind of like section them off. And so I just kind of take a little piece and kind of pull it. They say this is a shingling method. I don't do as thin of pieces as the shingling method. Like, the shingling method is like little super thin pieces. And if I get a piece like that, because I do struggle with a little bit of heat damage because I was a flat iron girl for like 4 years. So I just take my finger and twirl it, and eventually it's going to curl up and kind of go in its place. So I'm just going to continue to take little small pieces like this and pull on it and continue to do this whole process. And this is what I do, like I said, to get super defined curls. And also, if you need to like take your dim brush or whatever brush you're using to help, you can. So I'm just taking that and kind of like just sectioning it off. And just to let those heat damaged pieces curl up, you can kind of I just kind of take it and scrunch it. I know I need to cut them. Y'all don't come for me in the comments about me and these long heat damaged pieces, because I'm not ready to cut them and I don't know when I'm gonna be ready, so don't pressure me. So we're just gonna do the whole process again throughout the rest of my hair. Soak it, detangle with the leave-in. I use about that much. Alright, so now that y'all kind of see how I do it, I'm gonna speed up the process and I will talk to you guys whenever I am done. I will be right back. So this is what my hair looks like after I get all of the product on it. And I typically let my hair air dry because, you know, if you let it air dry, it makes less frizz. But if I do have something to do or somewhere to go, I do diffuse it. Today it is early, it's only like 10 o'clock in the morning, so I am gonna let my hair air dry throughout the rest of the day. So I will come back tomorrow after everything is fully dry to show you guys how I style it and finish off this process. Alright, so it is the next day, and as you can see, my hair is fully dry. This is what it looks like after I sleep on it. I forgot to mention the thing about the Kinky curly products is it does leave your hair crunchy, and so as you can see, it is kind of crunchy looking. A basic oil will get rid of crunchy hair. This is the OGX. I've had this for a very long time. I got it from the beauty supply store. I haven't really tried other oils on it because this one of course works well. And I just take it and kind of shake it out. Shake it out. Alright, so moving on, to get rid of the crunch, I take a little bit on my fingers and I just grab it like curl by curl and kind of just like do like that. And that definitely helps to get rid of it. So now that I got the oil on it, starting to look a little better already. And this is where I'll take my blow dryer and kind of stretch it a little bit, sections like this, and kind of just pull it out. And I know it still kind of looks a little crazy, but now I just take a pick and kind of just pick it out to my desired volume. You know, the bigger the better, right? Before, you just gotta play with it. So use your fingers. Your fingers are part of your tools. All right, and so now because y'all, I have heat damage, I have to kind of finesse. And to finesse, I'm gonna use some bobby pins, and that's how I kind of like hide my little straight pieces. So I kind of just take a bobby pin and tuck them in and pin them so they're not out flying, like showing out, because I don't have time for my natural people to come for me and keep pointing out my straight pieces, so I just like hide them. You know, kind of it. After I do that, you know, just play with it until it's your desired look, and pretty much that's how I wear it for the first day. And of course it's gonna get bigger and fluffier. I love the products. I love how it comes out. Other than that, I would love to hear from you guys, and we'll see what you guys think about my hair. And thank you for watching. You guys already know, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe for me, and I will talk to y'all later in my next video.